Keep your hands open, unfolded. Please switch off your phones. The man in the black, I'd request you to switch off your phone. It's a gentle request. Please maintain respect of the practice that's going to start right now. Please close your eyes. Get comfortable. Keep your legs open. Hands unfolded. And listen to the beautiful chant of Om before we proceed with the meditation. Imagine you have a magic feather. It's white in color, and there's a peacock feather that's handed over to you. You take this feather, and when you look up, the giver is our beloved Dada Vaswani. Dada, as we fondly call him, has given you this feather today because it's going to heal you and invoke a sense of calmness, joy, happiness. He tells you to keep this feather close to you. He also tells you to imagine that you are a sack of potatoes, a huge sack completely heavy. And now he tells you, just like a sack of potatoes, we cut it into half. Imagine yourself releasing all the dense energy, the toxic energy, the negative vibes, or any feelings of uncomfortness. He also tells you, take your time to do this. While doing this, Dada tells you to leave behind everything that you've come with today. And in this moment, cherish that you have a beautiful gift of letting go and unlocking the gifts within you. He's preparing your body, mind, and soul to welcome new energies. Silence. It has to be done with a smile on your face. So even though our eyes are closed, let's have a huge smile on our face. As you keep walking, you see a beautiful pond of crystal clear water. Just like a small child, you get super excited and you ask Dada to sit by with you by the pond. You feel the crystal clear water and you see a beautiful reflection of yourself in the water. Dada reminds you that you are a beautiful divine being and you're made of love, forgiveness, empathy, happiness, and joy. Just stay in this moment as Dada heals you, the water heals you, nature heals you, the beautiful butterflies that are chirping are healing you. The trees have a beautiful sound that's also healing you. We all are made up of sound, and this sound that you're experiencing in the silence within yourself is what connects you to your true self. Feel the connection today. You will now listen to 3 ohms that will help you to deepen your connection. Listen to it. Feel it. Let it vibrate into you. The sound of Om creates a magical sense of well-being within you. You now feel as if you have no breath. Your breathing is so slow, so calm, that you can't even hear it. Allow yourself to feel the peace within you, within your surroundings. We're preparing ourselves to receive beautiful divine guidance, love, energy, and the power of forgiveness, which all put together is the essence of us. Now, very slowly, with your eyes closed, you hold Dada's hand and you walk out of the forest. Take your time to walk out of this forest. This is your private time with your master and with yourself. It's a beautiful gift that we have today. Appreciate it, thank it. Pay gratitude. Gratitude is a very important process for all of us. If you feel ungrateful, you invite situations that will make you feel even more ungrateful. If you feel grateful, you will invite situations which make you feel even more grateful. So today, Dada is giving us the gift of gratitude. As we keep walking out of the forest with joy, happiness, and a sense of renewed well-being, energy, perspective, we come back within ourselves. Our eyes are still closed. We're still coming back into ourselves. We are integrating all the energies that we have received today. And while we do so, let us listen to a beautiful mantra, the Gayatri mantra. Om